जंगल में भयंकर आग फैली हुई है।
We need to move this shipment to the loading bay now.
All right, I'll get the crew organized right away.
गादियों से निकलने वाला कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एक डेंजरस प्राइमरी पॉल्यूटेंट है जो हमारी सांस को जहर बना देता है।
That pile is getting huge. Yeah, they must have added more last night.
बीम देखो, आहिस्ता बाईं ले जाओ। Everyone run! Get out of here!
My child! Where is my child?
Put the mask on, quickly!
Under ultraviolet sunlight, these hydrocarbons and oxidants react, triggering a complex chemical transformation that forms ozone and pan particles. एक ब्राइट मीटियोर अर्थ की तरफ एंटर करता है और मेसोस्फीयर में फ्रिक्शन की वजह से जलने लगता है।
Everything is gone.
Just hold on to the children. We have to keep moving. It is so hot, Papa.
I know, we are almost there.
I am tired of walking.
In the stratosphere, something interesting happens. As the altitude increases, the temperature climbs steadily, reaching nearly 0 degrees Celsius at the top.
Here you go, son.
Thank you, Papa. It looks delicious. We are so lucky to have such a beautiful day for our picnic.
The pressure drop is fluctuating at stage 3.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Let's see if that stabilizes it.
Efficiency is holding steady above 99%.
Good. Maintaining current parameters.
High voltage discharge creates a corona effect. The particles ionize and stick to the plates, then fall into the hopper.
ट्रोपोस्फेयर में टेम्परेचर हर 1 किलोमीटर पर 6.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस कम होता है।
सुपर एडियाबैटिक लैप्स रेट, जब टेम्परेचर हाइट के साथ बहुत तेजी से गिरता है।
As the air parcel ascends, the environmental lapse rate meets the adiabatic lapse rate. Since ELR
Areas. This visualization demonstrates how intense ground heating creates an unstable atmosphere, causing the smoke plume to
We have to go now! The smoke is everywhere. Keep the children close.
The atmosphere's stability is determined by comparing the ELR and ALR. When they are parallel, we observe neutral stability. Troposphere. Earth's lowest layer, 0 to 11 kilometers.
Look at how vibrant those colors are.
It's absolutely stunning. I'm so glad we came here today.